the syllabus. This includes 4 units, and unit number 4 consists this flip-flops. This part will be delivered by Rajiv Manohar, and I will talk about the number systems, arithmetic circuits, and counter registers and DA converters. So roughly 10 to 12 lectures will be delivered by me. So first is the number system. So let me allow to share the screen. Krishnakant?
Yes sir, allow कर दिया है.
कैसे करते हैं, इसमें हो नहीं रहा है.
और ये नीचे ग्रीन आइकन दिख रहा होगा एक शेयर स्क्रीन का.
हाँ, तो वो उस पे चले गए. फिर
सर 3 ऑप्शन खुल के आए होंगे, फिर आपके सामने स्क्रीन, व्हाइट बोर्ड, आईपैड. तो स्क्रीन पे क्लिक करिए, फिर नीचे शेयर लिखा होगा उसी में राइट बॉटम कॉर्नर में, उसी विंडो में. हो गया सर, आ गया.
आ गया.
यस सर.
दिख रहा है कुछ?
यस सर.
So let us start with the number system. What is number actually? Anybody can tell what is number? Sonu Katiyar.
जी सर.
What is number?
सर डिस्क्रीट वैल्यूज हैं एक तरीके से 0 1 2, लेकिन डिजिटल में जब पहुंच जाते हैं तो 2 ही रह जाते हैं, 0 1.
इंफॉर्मेशन को मतलब रिप्रेजेंट करने का तरीका है.
Number is something needed to count. Number is something needed to count. अब question is कि how this number makes a number system. What is number system? Number system. Number is required or needed to count something. So how can we define the number system? Anybody? No?
ऐसे नंबर्स का सिस्टम जिनकी जरूरत काउंट करने के लिए पड़ती है.
अगर हम आगे बोले हैं कि काउंट से क्या होगा, फिर
काउंट से मतलब एक तरीके की इंफॉर्मेशन रिप्रेजेंट कर पाएंगे बाद में.
नहीं, ये these are the basic thing कि number is required for counting, but actually how this number comes to read about. हम लोग नंबर पढ़ना क्यों चाहते हैं? हम लोग नंबर इसलिए पढ़ना चाहते हैं,
measurement.
We are going to discuss about the digital electronics. We are going to discuss about the processing thing, processor, जिसको कहा जाता है कि brain of the computer, heart of the computer. So when we talk about the number system, it simply means we are going to discretize anything. Yeah, we are going to discretize something. So if number is needed to count, then if we talk about the number system, then the process of various number, processing of various number makes a number system. Different number system will work differently. और जैसा हमने कहा कि अगर हम आगे की बात करें कि केवल काउंटिंग के लिए नंबर की जरूरत है, तो दैट इज नॉट इनफ. सो क्या जरूरत है आगे के लिए? आगे नंबर इज रिक्वायर्ड बिकॉज ऑफ वी नीड डिस्क्रीटनेस. डिस्क्रीटनेस डिफाइंस द digital electronics. That is, digital electronics governed by the digits. So, for example, अगर हम कोई चीज कंप्यूटर में टाइप करते हैं तो वो कंप्यूटर जो है सबको, हम कुछ भी टाइप कर रहे हैं, इवन फिगर भी बना हुआ है, तो वो नंबर में काउंट करता है. सो नंबर सिस्टम is the requirement of the digital electronics, and further it is used in the computations. अगर हम बात करें कि बेसिकली नंबर सिस्टम होता क्या है, तो हम कहेंगे वैल्यू ऑफ ईच स्ट्रिंग इन ए नंबर कैन बी डिटरमाइंड in various ways. For example, there may be some digit. So first criteria is digit. Then the position of the digit in the number. उस नंबर सिस्टम में ये डिजिट किस पोजीशन पे है. Then the base of the number system. उस नंबर सिस्टम का बेस क्या है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम लोग जो नॉर्मली पढ़ते हैं वो डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम पढ़ते हैं. सो डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम मीन्स बेस इज 10. That number system which includes 10 digits, that is from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that is 10 digits. So base of the decimal number is 10. And if you talk about the other number system, so they are the binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. Why binary number system? Because this number system deals only 2 digits, bi-digits, and they are 0 and 1. Similarly, octal number system is dealt with the 8 numbers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, from 0 to 7. And that's why it is called octal. Octal means 8. So this number system which has 8 digits is called octal number system. और obviously इसका base कितना होगा? 8 होगा. The octal number system has the base of 8. Similarly, hexadecimal number system. There is another number system is hexadecimal number. Hexa is 6. Decimal is 10. That means this number system deals with the 16 digits, and this digit is from 0 to 9. Then there are few letters A to F, total in 16. So the base of this number system, that is hexadecimal number system, is 16. Decimal number system has base 10. Binary number system has base 2, octal number system has base 8, and hexadecimal number system has base 16. So
सर एक बार स्ट्रिंग बता दीजिए.
एक बार string.
जी सर, जी सर.
String simply means digits. Suppose अगर हम कहते हैं कि decimal number system, तो decimal number system is made up of 10 digits, 0 to 9. So we can say that this number system has 10 strings. Okay?
Yes sir. Okay.
String simply means total number of digits. अभी आगे हम जब हम लोग आगे पढ़ेंगे तो उसको string की जगह हम लोग word कर देंगे और देखेंगे कि वर्ड, हम बोल तो रहे हैं वर्ड, WORD वर्ड, बट देयर विल बी 4 बिट ऑफ वर्ड्स, 3 बिट ऑफ वर्ड्स, और उनका नॉमेनक्लेचर अलग अलग रहेगा. वो अभी हम बाद में बताएंगे. यहाँ अभी आगे चलते हैं. सो एज आई सेड, द डिफरेंट नंबर सिस्टम हैज डिफरेंट बेस. फॉर एग्जांपल बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम बेस 2 and digit are 0 and 1. Octal number system base 8. Digit used are 0 to 7. Hexadecimal number system have base 16, and they includes 0 to 9, and then letters A to F. That means A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14, and F is 15. So again we come with the binary number because we know very much about the decimal number system. So if we talk about the characteristics of the binary number system, so as I said, the binary, that means 2. So that number system which is dealt by 2 digits, and these digits are 0 and 1, and this includes this number system deals with the 2 digits. That's why the base is 2, and each position in a binary number represent a power of base 2. It will be clear in the next slide. So how can we cope up from one system to another system? How can we go from one system to another system? So for that we should start with the decimal number system, because decimal number system को हम लोग बड़े अच्छे से जानते हैं. तो we have taken one example. For example, there is a decimal number 4237. That is digit 7 in the place of unit, 3 in the place of 10, 2 in the 100 place, and 4 in the 1000 place. So we can say that in number system we start from right to left. For example, if we further expand this 4237, then this can be written as 4 into 1000 plus 2 into, we talk about the right things, then 7 into 1 plus 3 into 10 plus 2 into 100 plus 4 into 1000. That becomes 7 plus 30 plus 200 plus 4000. So what it said, ये क्या हमें बताता है, ये दिखाता क्या है? दिखाता है कि डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम में हर यूनिट पोजीशन की, टेंस पोजीशन की, 100 पोजीशन की, 1000 पोजीशन की एक पर्टिकुलर प्लेस वैल्यू होती है और पर्टिकुलर फेस वैल्यू होती है. इन दिस केस 7 is the face value of unit place and place value is 1. Similarly, 3 is the face value and place value is 10. 2 is the face value, 100 is the face value. Sorry, place value. So like that, this can be also expressed in terms of place value and face value. So this 4237 can be written as 400 plus 200 plus 300 plus 700. If we generalize this process, so we come to an equation which is called principle of positional weighting. Sometimes it is equation, sometimes it is called formula. Basically मैं इसको formula नाम देता हूँ कि positional weighting formula बन जाएगा उससे, and any number can be represented by the equation y equal to dn into r to the power n plus dn minus 1 into r to the power n minus 1 plus d1 into r power 1 plus d0 into r power 0. तो जैसा कि ऊपर वाले एग्जाम्पल में हम लोग देखे कि this 4237 can be written as 10 to the power 0 into unit value plus 10 to power 1 into tens values plus 10 to power 2 into hundreds value plus 10 to power 3 into 1000 values. So like that we can make a formula, and this formula will work for every system, every number system, that is for decimal number system, for binary number system, and for octal number system, for hexadecimal number system. Here we can see this binary number. Suppose we take example of binary number, and that number is 10101. So how this binary number can be converted into the decimal number? So what we can do, we can take this rightest number, that is unit 1, place of 1, unit place, that is 1 into 2 to power 0 plus 2 into 0 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 2 plus 0 into 2 power 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power 4. So this becomes 1 plus anything into 0 is 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 16, and this will become 16 plus 4 plus 1, that is 21. So this binary number 10101 is equivalent of the decimal 21. Similarly, we can go for the octal number system, we can go for the decimal hexadecimal number system. So as I said, this octal number system, it uses digits from 0 to 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and base is 8. यहाँ पर भी each position में जो है जैसे जाते हैं, unit place is 8 to the power 0, tens place is 8 to the power 1, like that. So if we want to convert the decimal equivalent of octal number, for example 12570 of octal is how much in the decimal? जैसे हमने पहले बाइनरी को पढ़ा, अब ऑक्टल में कि अगर 12570 ऑक्टल नंबर है, तो ये how can it be converted into decimal and what it will be value? So this 0 into 8 to the power 0 plus 7 into 8 to the power 1 plus 5 into 8 to the power 2 plus 2 into 8 to the power 3 plus 1 into 8 to the power 4. It becomes 0 plus 56 plus 322 plus 1024 plus 4096, and total become 5496. So sorry, 12570 of octal is equivalent to 5496 of decimal number system. 12570 of octal is 5496 of decimal number system. Similarly, if we go to the hexadecimal number system, as we have already discussed that hexadecimal means 16, numbers are digits, includes are 0 to 9, then letters A to F, then base is 16, and जैसे कि पहले बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम में, हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम में आपको बताया गया कि यूनिट से आप स्टार्ट करोगे, so that will be unit place into 10 to power 16 to power 0 plus 10th into like that. So अगर हम कोई नंबर सिस्टम मान लो हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम का लेते हैं 19FDE, ये नंबर सिस्टम है 19FDE of hexadecimal number system. How it can be converted into the decimal number system? So the process is same as shown by the positional weighting formula. This E into 16 to power 0 plus D into 16 power 1 plus F into 16 power 2 plus 9 into 16 power 3 plus 1 into 16 to the power 4. Here is a error है. This is hexadecimal number. This is not binary number. ये आप अपने में हम correct कर देंगे अभी, but you should correct it. This is hexadecimal number system, and we are converting this hexadecimal number system into the decimal number system. So this will become ultimately 1,06,422. So 19 FTE of hexadecimal is 1,06,462 in the decimal number system. Similarly, there are various methods to convert number from one base to another base. What we have done right now, we have done that we have converted, suppose, binary number system into decimal, octal into the decimal, and then hexadecimal into decimal. But there are processes that we can convert any number system into any number. For example, decimal to other base system, that is binary, octal, hexadecimal, or vice versa. Decimal को आप hexadecimal में, hexadecimal को decimal में, decimal को binary में, binary को hexadecimal में, या octal को binary में, octal को hexadecimal में, octal को decimal में, binary को octal में. You can do anything. So how can it be done? For example, we take one system for decimal system to other base system. So we have already done about the conversion from binary to decimal, from octal to decimal, from hexadecimal to decimal. But if you talk about the vice versa, that means how decimal number system can be converted into binary number system. So the procedure is, I am not going to these written things. So procedure is, for example, we have to convert decimal number 26 into the binary. So what is the procedure to convert this binary to decimal into the binary? The procedure is that divide by 2. आप यहाँ याद रखना, आगे भी रिपीट करेंगे हम ये चीज कि जब हम डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम को बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं तो हम कह रहे हैं कि दैट नंबर विल बी डिवाइडेड बाय 2. सिमिलरली अगर हम डेसिमल नंबर को ऑक्टल नंबर में कन्वर्ट करने जाएंगे आगे तो दैट विल बी डिवाइड बाय 8. डेसिमल नंबर को हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर में कन्वर्ट करने जाएंगे सो दैट विल बी डिवाइडेड बाय 16. सो डिवाइडेड बाय बेस. अगर हम यहाँ पे डेसिमल नंबर को बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम हैज द बेस ऑफ 2, सो डिवाइड बाय बेस दैट इज डिवाइड बाय 2. सो वी कैन मेक अ टेबल, स्टेप्स, ऑपरेशन, रिजल्ट एंड रिमाइंडर. फॉर एग्जांपल 26 divided by 2. So quotient result is 13 and remainder is 0. Similarly 13 by 2 quotient is 6 and remainder is 1. 6 by 2 quotient is 3, remainder is 0. 3 by 2 quotient is 1, remainder is 1. 1 is left, so 1 by 2, there will be no quotient, it is not divisible, so the quotient is 0 and remainder is 1. But the procedure of writing this number system is from bottom to top 11010. So this 26 of decimal is 11010. आप हमेशा ध्यान रखेंगे जो इंटीजर पार्ट अगर हम डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम को बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं तो अल्टीमेट रिजल्ट इज रेड फ्रॉम बॉटम टू टॉप. फॉर एग्जांपल इन दिस केस दिस इज 11010. So 26 of decimal is how much in binary? It is 11010. Similarly, if we take about the fractional part, for example, we have to convert the number or decimal number 0.74 into binary number. Decimal 0.74 is how much in the binary number. So what is the procedure? Procedure is, as in the case of integer, it was divided by 2. Here in the case of fraction, this is multiplied by 2. That is multiplied by base. So if you want to convert the number 0.74 is 1.48. So this have integer 1. So integer 1. Next step is this 0.48 into 2 is 0.96. Here is 0. This 0.96 into 2 is 1.92. Integer is 1. This 0.92 into 2 is 1.84. Integer is 1. This 0.84 into 2 will become 1.68. And जैसा कि हमने बताया इंटीजर के केस में हम लोग बॉटम से टॉप रीड कर रहे थे. One zero one one one. So the decimal of 0.74 is 10. This is 0.10111. So एक चीज यहाँ पे और आता है कि ये जैसे हम यहाँ पे 5 स्टेप पे जाकर के छोड़ दिए कि 0.68 again it can be done as 0.68 into 2. So ये अनफिनिश सीरीज आएगी. So इस केस में क्या करते हैं, वैसे मैं तो रफली 3 डिजिट तक करता हूं लेकिन ये एग्जांपल बताना था इसलिए हमने यहाँ 5 डिजिट करता हूं कि कर दिया कि 5 डिजिट के बाद आप छोड़ देंगे. वैसे जो आपको अलाउ करा, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर एग्जाम में आता है आपके पास टाइम है कम है तो आप मिनिमम 3 डिजिट तक तो करेंगे ही. यहाँ तक आप 101 यहाँ तक तो जाएंगे ही, बाकी उसके बाद 5 डिजिट 7 डिजिट दैट इज ऑन योर विल. सो अगर हम डेसिमल नंबर को बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करना चाह रहे हैं तो अगर इंटीजर पार्ट है तो डिवाइड बाय 2, फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट है तो मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2. सिमिलरली अगर हम डेसिमल को ऑक्टल में कन्वर्ट करना चाह रहे हैं, if you take for example any number, octal number, decimal number is 98 and that is to be converted into octal number. So as I already said, any number, any decimal number system is divided by the base. If this number system is binary, divided by 2. If this number system is octal, divided by 8. If this number system is hexadecimal, divided by 16. So in this case, this is divided by 8. So first step, 98 divided by 8, quotient is 12 and remainder is 2. Then this quotient 12 is again divided by 8. Quotient is 1 and remainder is 4. This quotient 1 again divide by 8 cannot be divisible. It is not divisible. So quotient is 0 and the remainder is 1. So again, in the case of integer octal number case, what we have to adopt to read this number from bottom to top. So this will be written as 142. So 98 of 10, that is 98 of decimal, is 142 of octal. Similarly, if we want to change this octal decimal 0.46 into the octal, so again the procedure is as we have done in the case of binary, multiplied to, since this is the octal number system, it will be multiplied by 8 and then the product, then the integer. So for example, if you take 0.46, 46, so this first step is 0.46 into 8, this is 3.68. So integer is 3. This again 0.68 multiplied by 8 is 5.44. Integer is 5. This 0.44 is again multiplied by 8. So it is 3.52. Integer is 3. Then this 0.52 is further multiplied by 8. So this is 4.16. So integer is 4. Then 0.16 is again multiplied by 8. It comes 1.28. Integer is 1. So again, the representation of result will be done from top to bottom. So this can be written as 35341. So 0.46 of decimal is 0.35341 of hexadecimal.
सर वो है
Any question?
टाइम और हो गया बस
Time हो गया? Just 5 minutes और.
सर दोबारा से स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा.